Now this tool is called the FTT-MR, or the Flange Tension Tester Multi-Range. And what we've done here is we've effectively designed a flange tension tester tool, but we have designed it with a significant angle of compression for both the grips and for the seal. And so this tool is designed to deal with erosion and as-builts in the field, so that Schedule 80 pipe that may no longer be Schedule 80 in thickness, this tool can handle those variations in the field because it's designed to both the grips to expand and the seal to expand across standard 40, 80, and extra strong, and be able to do those FTT style radial and axial type of tests.